Dude, there's like so much shit in here, dude. I can't hardly cut through it. You have to come hold this, Matt.
I'm not holding the fucking thing. Hold on, I'll hold it for you.
Oh, dude, the shit is coming through the cut. Ah.
Dude, so much shit in the pipe.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh.
You just want me to hold it the whole time?
What do you want me to do?
Grab the bucket, dude.
Huh?
Grab the bucket.
I'm getting splattered.
Hold the bucket up to it.
Alright. Holy shit. Alright, pick back up. Oh my god, dude. Where am I gonna dump this?
I don't know, you're getting it everywhere. Whoa.
That's the piece about it.